all of those details. But shifting focus now to some more breaking news coming in. The United States Department of State's Consular Affairs has issued an advisory in light of the current situation in Venezuela. Venezuela's security situation remains highly volatile, and with international flights now operating, US citizens in the country have been advised to leave immediately. The US Department of State has warned travelers to take extreme precautions, stay alert to their surroundings, and remain cautious on all road travel amid reports that armed militia known as collectivos are setting up roadblocks and searching vehicles for signs of US citizenship or support for the United States. So those, of course, are the details that we're receiving when it comes to the United States action in Venezuela. My colleague Arzu Seth joins us for more details. Arzu, we're learning that the United States Embassy has issued a travel advisory for its citizens in Venezuela. Take us through what exactly they've said and the action that they're taking to safeguard their citizens.
Well, yes, the U.S. government has renewed its warning advising the American citizen not to travel to Venezuela, citing the ongoing security risk and the limited access to emergency assistance. And also what we are getting to know that according to the notice from the U.S. Embassy in Colombia, the security situation in Venezuela remain unstable, and the warning reiterates a long-standing travel advisory first issued in 2019 and urges U.S. citizens currently in the country to leave as soon as as it is safe to do so, and particularly as some international commercial flights has resumed. An official also warned that armed civilian group known as collectivos have reportedly established roadblocks in parts of the country, and these groups are said to be stopping vehicles and searching for sign of U.S. citizen, or perceived support for the United States. So Americans traveling by road are advised to remain highly vigilant. So the advisory also notes ongoing nationwide challenge, including intermittent power and utility outages that continue to disrupt daily life. So definitely the U.S. has issued a travel advisory and also the helpline number for its citizens in Venezuela. Yes.
Absolutely, Arzu. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. With that, viewers, that's a wrap for this bulletin. We'll slip into a very short break.
सारे मोहल्ले हाजी खुशियों दी तुम भी